Alright, here we are. Finally did another GDI. We took out a LiftMaster 5.0. Okay. Changed the bearings. Lots of metal came out of it when we put it on the ground. Changed the rails. Put a custom carriage. I changed the coil cord because they had like 12 gauge cab tire and it was looping wasn't looping well. The installation there, the motor and the controller. Normally closed photo eyes, normally closed edge. Should be fun for guys that don't know how to troubleshoot that. Always makes it interesting. Normally closes 10 times, if not 100 times better in UL 325. I'm not a fan of UL 325 because if you're stuck on the job and you don't have UL beams in your truck, you got the grief. You can't even make it work. You can't jimmy it overnight. You can't do anything. You're screwed, basically. Which is not a good scenario. Everyone wants security with their gate shut. Anyway, standard profile for opening and closing. Not too often I'll change that. 2-inch hardware on this gate. Can't bring it too far or we're going to hit the sprinkler pipe there. Had the grief here with the sprinkler pipe, so I had to put the control box right over the motor. Never done that before out of 300 installs. Usually you can put it right there on the rails, but it wouldn't fit under with the gate fully open. Anyway, this one's kind of interesting. It's got 2 preformed loops. Don't know where they are because we can't see under the concrete because they were done before the concrete was poured when the building was new. Anyway, it's the one there on the DIN rail. And this is the access. We see these once in a while, these clear little boxes. So it's got a data loop and then power from somewhere else. And then signal to tell the GDI to open from a computer somewhere. Give it an open. Again, that's just standard programming. My speed. So I'd change it to a coil cord.
Can I go in?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
It's a long day job.
Yeah, it's normal.
Starving.
Ah, it's normal. It's all good. Timer to close. 8 seconds. Yeah, normally closed send receive beams. Normally closed edge. Well, that's it. Keep marching forward on the numbers. Still don't see anything comparable on the market. LiftMaster's brought out a new machine recently, but I'm part of the chat on Facebook and I see a lot of problems. So once they get those ironed out, and it's kind of an ugly machine with a bunch of bolt-on sides. Whereas the GDI is just a motor and a controller box. That's it. Simple. You can install these with one guy all day long. Whereas that was the problem with the HCT DCUs and the HCT. They're too heavy, too awkward as all in one. That'd be like attaching the motor to the control box, which is just ridiculous. Anyway, that's it. Off to an overtime call now in Vancouver. This is in White Rock, part of Surrey, in Vancouver. Adios.